Human rights lawyer Patrice Spinosi said if any mayors did not comply, he would take each case to court. At least 3 mayors have said they will keep the bans on their beaches. On Friday, the Council of State found the ban in one town, Villeneuve-les-Bêtes, seriously and clearly illegally breached fundamental freedoms. The decision is expected to set a precedent for all the 30 or so French resorts, chiefly along the Riviera, that issued similar bans. Villeneuve-les-Bêtes mayor, Lionel Luca, responding to the ruling, said, "We need to decide if we want a smiley, friendly version of Sharia law on our beaches or if we want the rules of the French Republic to be implemented." The Burkinis were not mentioned by name in the bans, with the order simply saying beachwear must be respectful of good public manners and the principle of secularism. Authorities said they were concerned about the public order implications of the religious clothing, especially after attacks in Nice and Paris carried out by people influenced by Islamist extremism. But while opinion polls suggested most French people backed the bans, they ignited fierce debate in France and around the world, with Muslims saying they were being unfairly targeted. The controversy deepened when images circulated showing police on a beach appearing to enforce the ban, and a woman removing an item of clothing. The Council of State will make a final decision on the ban's legality at a later date. Still valid. Mr. Spinosi represents the Human Rights League (LDH), which, along with the Anti-Islamophobia Association (XIF), took Villeneuve-les-Bêtes to the highest administrative court in the land. It is a decision that is meant to set legal precedent, Mr. Spinosi said to reporters outside court. He said people who had been fined could claim their money back. XIF head Marwan Muhammad praised the ruling, but said it cannot take back the harm which was caused. However, town hall authorities in Nice and Fréjus, as well as in the Corsican village of Cisco, have vowed to keep the bans in place. The far-right mayor of Fréjus, David Rackline, told the AFP news agency that his ban was still valid and there was no legal procedure against it. A spokesperson for Nice Town Hall said it would continue to fine women wearing full Islamic coverings on the beach. In the town of Cisco in Corsica, Mayor Ange Pierre Vivoni said the ban would remain for the safety of property and people in the town. Mr. Cisco said it followed clashes this month between villagers and Muslim bathers. French PM Manuel Valls wrote on Facebook in support of the bans, saying burkinis were the affirmation of political Islam in the public